Welcome to Kyle's Playtime.
And this is our first build for Lego for the year 2024. And we have this cool set. It is right here. It is called Lego Star Wars New Republic E-Wing versus Shin, Hati's Starfighter. Building toy with Ahsoka.
No, not Soka.
Ashoka? Oh, how come she's there?
That's not a movie to go down.
Okay, so there's Morgan, Elizabeth, Balin, Skull. Is that the guy that died? Shin, Hot. Oh, that's the lady I was talking about, the white-haired lady. Captain Porter, New Republic, Astromech Droid. It is 1,056 pieces for ages 9 and older. Who gave you the set, Kyle?
Grandma!
And how long do you think it'll take us to do?
Approximately an hour.
No, it's going to take us like 4 hours. So, in that case, we're going to do a time lapse. It's 3 o'clock and 26 minutes right now.
No, 24!
And we are going to open this box gently and show you how many bags there are. And then,
What's 50?
I think there's going to be 8 bags.
And then more than one.
No, there's not. Oh yeah, look. Hey! 8.
So yeah, I need my instruction by
9. Okay, so 9. 8. I'm in charge of sorting. 7. 5.
I know.
6.
I'm getting my instructions.
Oh, that's a big bag. Give it to me. Make sure I open it.
Oh, darling. Not a baby.
There you go.
How many instructions?
4.
Yeah, I got
3. 1. Okay, so
Hey, Daddy. Hey, Daddy.
uh,
Daddy, we're building the first Starfighter, the one I really like, my favorite. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hey, Dad.
okay,
I'm
so
thinking of maybe doing a second video tomorrow.
oh, I mean, so we're gonna do half of it today and then half.
Yeah, the first book today and the
Oh,
second.
there's a second. There's 2 books. Oh, well, let's show people the ship. So we're gonna build this ship first,
Which one?
the blue one, or are we gonna do the yellow one?
Blue one. That's my
Oh yeah, because 1 to 6. So this is part 1 of Kyle's Playtime. Star Wars. We have 81 subscribers. We sure would like to be at 100 by, let's say, your birthday. Or earlier.
My birthday, Dad. Don't tell them my birthday.
I'm not going to talk about your birthday, but okay, so.
But Daddy, when the day it's my birthday, could we do a video?
And you're going to see Kyle's mom made us some delicious popcorn. So
I don't eat some right now.
So we
Just
have
show them how
popcorn.
delicious it is. Nah.
So now, let the time lapse begin. What do you have to say?
Uh-oh.
Okay. Stay tuned for some.
Goodbye.
We're gonna this is gonna be like a 3-minute video in time lapse because it's gonna be fast motion.